Yeah, it's finally that time. We have a special delivery. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Dwarf Labs Dwarf 3 telescope. Now, believe it or not, I ordered this almost 4 months ago. It's been 3 months and I believe 26 or 27 days since I ordered this. And it is finally in. So this is what we're going to be looking at today. Figured I would give you guys a sneak peek at it before I actually started using it. Still has the film on it, so we're doing that classic unboxing, peeling the plastic off. If I can get my nail under this. No, I cannot. It's fine. There we go. Now, for safety reasons, of course, we're going to close this up. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. Now, before we throw the box away, we're going to take a look at a quick few things of what the telescope can do. So it does have built-in filters. It does have a 60-second long shutter for long exposures. I believe they're working on increasing this to a 120 seconds, I believe. It's very light, 1.4 kilograms. It's good for sun, moon photography. It has built-in AI noise reduction to get rid of that snow in the pictures. The ZWO C-Star S50 recently added that in one of their updates, and their pictures have been really nice so far. You can do Milky Way nighttime photography. You can do the mosaic mode, which the C-Star S50 can also do. So I'm curious to see how well the Dwarf 3 will be handling this. And it has auto tracking and capture. So you can actually do scenery photography of animals, birds, those kind of things as well. Back here, they actually show a few examples. You can do a panoramic. Then you have the bird. This is the Milky Way. Got the M8 Nebula, the moon, the sun. And on the side here, it shows what's in there. But we're going to open this up and show you guys this ourselves. So nice, easy to open. Here we have it. Nice little pouch. Very small. It's honestly a lot smaller than I was expecting it to be. Probably have that on your belt if you wanted to. More straps here on the bottom. Let's open it up and see what we have. Oh yeah, look at that. Take a look at the accessories here. I didn't know the accessories came in the box. That's cool. Not exactly necessary since it's in a pouch, but they probably used the shape of the box to help support the inside of the bag as well as additional reinforcement so that it doesn't get crushed or anything. This should be the solar filter. I want to be careful when taking this out. It's wrapped actually. This is a magnetic solar filter. The other one you had to like screw on the individual lenses for the light pollution and the solar filter. Now it's just a magnetic filter. It just clamps onto the front and off you go. I'm going to put this back in the bag for now. Next we have our classic charging cord. We have the user manual. So yeah, we also have this cloth here. Of course, it's branded. Because this telescope here, it's essentially a very fancy camera that's made and designed specifically for a few use cases, such as nighttime photography, astrophotography, wildlife photography, panoramas, scenery, those kind of things. And here we also have a strap that's included. Pretty standard strap, but I'm sure it will come in handy, especially if I decide to take this thing for a hike. Then again, I might just get a dedicated bag at that point. And now for the main event, we're going to take this thing out. And the rest of the bag is empty. You got a few pouches here, so plenty of room to put some stuff. I'll probably have my battery backup in here because I do have a 20,000 milliamp power bank. Probably going to put that in there with the charging block in here. There's 2 small pouches there. You got the big pouch here on top. So there's definitely room in there to do stuff. This thing's got some weight to it. Only 1.4 kilograms though, but it still feels very sturdy, very durable. Power button here, charging ports on the bottom. The speaker here, I'm gonna peel that off, and there is a microphone here as well. They haven't provided any details as to what this microphone will be used for yet. So this might be something that gets added at a later time. So we're just going to put this here for now. Now, just like Dwarf 2, you can simply open it and rotate it. Warning, high temp area. We're going to peel this off because that's going to get in the way. I'm quickly going to show the solar filter. This is also how you're going to take your dark frames. Now, I've never taken manual dark frames, so I don't know, honestly, how this is going to work out, because the C-Star S50 kind of does everything for you, and I think I've just gotten used to that. That just clips on like this, into place, like that, and off you go. It's magnetic, it makes it easy to put on and off, and because of the sturdiness of the telescope, it shouldn't move too much when you are installing it. Now, we're going to go ahead and get this connected. Now, first things first, you do want to make sure that you download the app first. I'm just going to close this up. There we go. And we're going to turn it on. We're going to hit the power button here. Now, I don't know if this thing's actually dead or not. It might actually be dead. Oh, there we go. We got a power indicator here. Now this thing does have NFC connectivity, so if you have a smartphone that supports NFC, which most of them do nowadays, you can tap right onto the side of it. It will open the app and connect automatically. So I'm really looking forward to using this smart telescope. If I've seen any